Hi, so today I'll be telling you guys about some composition techniques which you can start implementing right now and make interesting looking photos. Composition is the arrangement of your subject, which is the main focus of your photo, and the elements, which are lines, shapes, textures, patterns, and space. एक फोटो के अंदर एक या मल्टीपल सब्जेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं एंड इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द फोटोग्राफर हाउ दे चूज टू अरेंज देम ऑल टू क्रिएट द फोटो. A good composition makes a photograph more intriguing. Composition shapes the viewer's experience of the picture and makes a big part of what makes the picture eye-catching. Number one, simplify the scene. Look for what you want to focus on and what you don't want to focus on. Declutter the scene and remove the unwanted elements from the background. The second one is the rule of thirds. It is a pretty well-known rule. It proposes that if an image is divided into 9 equal parts by equally spaced horizontal and vertical lines, then positioning your subjects on these lines or their intersection points make the image more interesting. In portraits, you can apply this rule by placing your subject's eyes on the intersection points. Number 3. Try different perspectives. Try to shoot high shots, low shots, bird's eye view, and bomb's eye view. So the next one is fill the frame. Sometimes you really want to get close to the subject, eliminate the background, and put all the focus and attention on the main subject. This really creates an intimate look. But you would want to experiment with it and don't go with it every time, because a lot of time including the background and detail, some other detail, adds up to the story of the image. For example, in wildlife photography, when your subject is an animal, you would also want to take some of its habitat into account and therefore creating a better composition. So experiment with it and try to incorporate it in places where you can. Fifth one is leading lines. Incorporating leading lines in your frames which directly point to your subjects can really step up your composition, as it draws the viewer's attention directly to the subject. Leading lines are elements which sort of leads the eye of the viewer to the subject. This can be diagonal or curved lines or elements placed in a line. Number 6 is frame within a frame. Look for natural frames when you're out shooting. Sometimes you can frame your subject in such a way that the surrounding elements are framing it. It could be a landscape, trees, maybe even a window, a door, or anything else which your creativity can think of as a frame. You can use it. Next one is reflect and revisit. Revisit your old work, reflect on it, and look for places where you can improve yourself. At the same time, study the work of other photographers. The more you expose yourself to different styles, the more it will help you to develop an understanding of how these visual elements work together to make a photo. The last tip I have for you guys is sometimes just throw the rules out of the window, because I feel being restricted by rules is the last thing any art form needs. So forget the rules once in a while, experiment on your own. It will help you gain new perspectives and also develop your own style. And after all, photography is about expression, right? And expressing without any rules feels much better. So those were some composition rules for you guys, and I hope they help you step up your photography game and have a good one.